How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set the best settings for your Samsung Odyssey OLED G60SD. So of course, the first thing that you want to do is to actually head over to your Windows setting, and from there navigate through the advanced display setting and just select the highest number possible for the refresh rate. Right after, you then want to use your remote, and the OSD or the on-screen display instructions or settings will then show up. If a remote isn't possible, you want to use the buttons on the monitor, so most likely it's going to be at the bottom of your monitor or behind it. From there, let's apply the following setting. Now, of course, the core gaming setup is going to be the max refresh rate, which is going to be 360 Hz. For G-Sync or the adaptive sync, turn this on. For game mode, you want to set this to gamer 1, and the response time is going to be at fastest. OLED already has near instant response. Now, for picture setting, you want to use graphics or custom for the preset. Brightness at 40 or 60 because OLED doesn't need high brightness. Contrast at 50, sharpness at 10 to 15, and the color tone at warm 2. And for some gaming enhancement, you want to set your gaming or the black equalizer at 0 to 5. So you don't want to overboost blacks on OLED. The VRR control is going to be on, dynamic contrast off, and motion enhancement off. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.